A Nashville Noticias reporter is in ICE detention tonight, raising questions about why she was detained in the first place. The federal government now responding to that after it was ordered to do so by a judge. The government says the reporter overstayed her visa and she is in the country illegally. Fox 17 News reporter Hope Salmon is at the ICE field office with what she learned from the government's response filed on Thursday.
Court documents reveal that ICE is currently holding Estefany Rodríguez in a detention facility in Alabama. ICE detained Estefany Rodríguez, a Tennessee journalist working for Noticias, on March 4th. Her husband says Rodríguez was arrested after ICE agents swarmed her news vehicle. She remains in ICE custody. In a court filing this week, attorneys for the federal government say Rodríguez entered the United States on March 10, 2021 on a tourist visa. The document states she overstayed that visa, which authorized her to remain in the country until September 9th of that year. ICE says she remained in the country without legal status. Officials also say she was ordered to report to an ICE field office earlier this year, but failed to appear. Fox 17 has been following the story, and in previous reports, Rodríguez's husband said a massive winter storm shut down Nashville on the same day as a scheduled meeting, and there was a mix-up about a follow-up appointment also missed. Rodríguez filed an emergency petition in federal court shortly after her arrest, claiming she was arrested without a warrant, and also claims violations of her constitutional rights, including First, Fourth, and Fifth Amendment protections. However, the government attorneys dispute those claims and say they obtained a warrant before the arrest and officers followed federal immigration law.
Detaining a journalist raises serious concern.
On Wednesday, a Nashville activist held an event with the Remix, an immigration organization, to call on local representatives to push for answers surrounding Rodríguez's arrest.
So I haven't spoken to her or her lawyer directly, but from what her husband has said, she was here legally in the country, going through her green card process, and that he said that she had not missed the appointments that were said that were missed.
Fox 17 reached out to Rodríguez's husband and attorney to ask about the government's rejection of Rodríguez's status claims. No one was able to respond, but it might not matter. In the newly filed document, ICE also argues that federal court should not hear the case at all. They say Rodríguez has not finished the administrative process available through the immigration court system. An immigration judge has set a bond hearing for Monday, March 16th in Louisiana. I'm reporting in Nashville. I'm Hope Salmon, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.